Have you ever wanted to start your own garden but did not know where to begin? Well, fear not. Today we will journey through the process of creating a flourishing garden from scratch in 10 easy steps. Step 1 is all about dreaming big but starting small. Decide what kind of garden you want. Is it a vegetable garden, a flower garden, or perhaps a mix of both? Remember, it's okay to start with a small plot and expand over time. Step 2 is about choosing the right location. Most plants need about 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day. So look for a spot that will provide the necessary light. Step 3 calls for testing your soil. You can purchase a simple soil test kit from a local garden center. This will help you understand what nutrients your soil needs. Step 4 is about planning your garden beds. Raised beds are often a good choice because they provide good drainage and are easier to maintain. In Step 5, you'll need to pick the right plants. Choose plants that will thrive in your specific climate and soil conditions. Step 6 is all about buying your plants or seeds. Visit a local nursery or order online, but do make sure to do some research to ensure you're getting quality plants or seeds. Step 7 involves planting your garden. Follow the instructions on the seed packets or plant tags for best results. Step 8 is all about watering your plants. Remember, overwatering can be as harmful as underwatering, so be mindful of how much water your plants need. Step 9 involves mulching your garden. Mulch helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Finally, Step 10 is all about patience and care. Gardening is a labor of love, and plants need time to grow. Regularly check your garden for pests and diseases, and remember to feed and water your plants. To sum it up, the 10 steps to starting a garden are 1. Dreaming and planning. 2. Choosing your location. 3. Testing your soil. 4. Planning your garden beds. 5. Picking your plants. 6. Buying your plants or seeds. 7. Planting your garden. 8. Watering your plants. 9. Mulching your garden. And 10. Providing ongoing care and patience. So go ahead and embark on this gardening journey. With patience and care, you'll soon have a garden that looks beautiful and brings you immense joy and satisfaction.